hello my friends, and welcome to 2022. So, I just want to wish everybody out there a Happy New Year. And this video is going to serve as my review of 2021. And while it was better than 2020, it wasn't great. So, right around this time last year, I put out a video like this, kind of sort of talking about goals I had for my channel in 2021. Some of them I was able to accomplish, and others I wasn't. So let's just do a quick review of 2021. So I was able to get in 12 months of riding, which I think is actually more than that, but like I'm almost positive it is, but whatever. So I was able to ride every month in 2021, which somebody living in the Northeast, it's kind of an accomplishment. So that was one good thing. Secondly, I got to meet new people. I got to meet some motovloggers. Did a couple rides with them. I got to meet at least one other person that rode one of these beautiful bikes right here. And I'm hoping to meet a lot more next year. Or this year, however you want to look, like, yeah, this year. Keep thinking next year, I guess, because it's still winter time. So, anyway, I got to do that. I've had a number of milestones in the channel, and most recently it's been 500 subscribers and 50,000 views, which I hit both of those right before. Well, I hit the one on Christmas and the other one right before it. So overall the channel is growing, and I'm hoping to grow it more this year. I'm hoping 2022 will be a better year, and I will be able to grow my channel a little bit more. So I'm not going to make any resolutions on what I want the channel to become in 2022, because, you know, me making a resolution, like, you know, it's just like me being a fat guy and every year saying, yeah, my number one resolution is to lose weight. And if you look at me, yeah, that ain't happening. So I am hoping to get together with more people and ride more, and like I said, grow my channel. As for personal 2021, I actually was able to get out to a couple sporting events. I was able to get out to an AHL hockey game, Phantoms game, and I was able to get out to a Phillies game. Aside from that, I did go to 2 concerts this year. So events and stuff like that, which didn't happen in 2020, I was able to do in 2021. Now, along with that, yeah, I did get COVID from the last event I attended to. So, at this point in time, I'm kind of done with crowds. Kind of done with crowds, and I'm just going to skip them for a little while at this point. And like I said, I did have COVID this year. I had it, and I got rid of it. So it was really not that bad for my case. I can't speak for anybody else's. My case, wasn't that bad at all. So I was very happy about that. So I got through that. Another thing I have talked about in a previous video was my son moved out. So he moved out a couple days before Christmas, and while still there is stuff in my house of his, which I don't mind, it's going to take him a little bit of time to get all that stuff out. He is no longer living in my home. So that was another big step, another personal big step for me. Other than that, I mean, it's really been the same old, same old. I was able to have vacation this week, this past week, leading up into New Year's, between Christmas and New Year's, which is good because I'm riding. So, really, other than that, there hasn't, you know, that's the gist of it. The state of the world is, I don't even know anymore. Are they shutting stuff down? Are they not shutting stuff down? I don't know. Just play it one day at a time, and I'm not going to get into that stuff here. So yeah, there's pretty much the recap. I was able to do shit this past year, 2021. I was able to go out and enjoy life a little bit. I met a bunch of nice people. I met 3 other motovloggers to this point. Vulcan Pa, Misplaced Motovlogger, and Trekkie Moto. And on that ride was Steve, Pat, and Phil. So it turned out to be a really nice day. And I'll put that video right up here, the Road Apple ride. That was a good day. And I got to ride with Vulcan Pa one other time, other than that, when I first met him. And we're in the talks, kind of, sort of. We always talk about getting together and riding. So I'm hoping there will be more riding, so I can get some use out of this thing right here. So I hope your 2021 wasn't that bad, and I hope your 2022 is even better. So until next time, my friends, y'all stay safe, and y'all love one another. Peace.